Then here, as you can see, we have a very spacious and elegant lobby. Hi everyone, this is Alex Constantino, your property consultant in Mega World Corporation. So for today's video, I will be giving you a quick tour around One Corporate Place, our first ever office building offering here in General Trias, Cavite, inside our 140-hectare township development, Maple Grove. So we are currently offering ready for occupancy office spaces. So I'll be showing you yung mga office spaces available and of course yung features and amenities for this building. So of course, first of all, this is the drop-off area of One Corporate Place. So if you have some corporate vans or services, pwede dito yung drop-off and pick-up area. Then now we're going inside the lobby. Okay. So this is the lobby of One Corporate Place. And as you can see, we have here the walk-through metal detector. It gives more security here in this place, and at the same time, we also have security guards and CCTVs, making it 24-hour security. Then here on my left side, we have the front desk assistants. Ayan. Then here, as you can see, we have a very spacious and elegant lobby. And what I like about One Corporate Place, no, it has its own card access turnstiles. So, yung mga makakapasok lang dito is yung may mga key cards or yung mga RFID ng mga employees or yung mga business owners and nag-work talaga dito sa One Corporate Place. Okay, so here in this area, we have 6 high-speed elevators. So actually, yung maganda dito no, is 24-hour open itong office building na to. So if your business is actually operating for 24 hours, this is one of the best options. So here, papasok tayo sa elevator kasi we're going up on the 12th floor to see our office spaces. So now we are currently on the 12th floor of One Corporate Place and I'll be showing you the 91 square meter office space which is Unit C. Let's go. So this hallway, malapit siya actually sa emergency exit and yung hallway natin is meron siyang mga CCTV. So now we're going inside Unit C. This is the deliverable of the office spaces that we have here, no? As you can see, it's bare shell. And your advantage, if your office space is bare shell, mas madali siyang ipa-renovate or kaya ipa-reconstruct if ever you'll be needing it. Then, of course, ang maganda rin dito is that you already have aircon and provisions for the wirings as well. We have yung provision for the toilet. If you'll be needing it, of course, kasi we have common toilets naman in each floor of the building. Then here, you can see this big window and your advantage of this one is that unobstructed yung view niya. And of course, if you want your employees or ikaw din, of course, if you're working here, di ba, you want to be more relaxed, maganda yung may magandang view. Diba? Kasi not all office spaces or office buildings here in General Trias, Cavite or even in Metro Manila have this kind of view. So now, I'll be showing you yung other features and amenities here in One Corporate Place. So like what I've mentioned earlier, guys, no, we have common toilet on each floor here in One Corporate Place. So I'll be showing you those toilets. So we have here for the male, for the PWD, and for the female. So here sa PWD, this is how it looks like. So each floor may ganyang toilet or common toilet. Then for the female toilet, we have here 4 cubicles on my left side. Then we have 3 sink and faucet on my right side and mirror, soap dispensers, and hand dryer. Actually, very complete na siya, guys, no? Like yung mga usual toilet or common toilets na you'll see sa mga very common or very updated office buildings. So now, pupunta tayo sa rooftop and I'll be showing you the amenities for One Corporate Place. Hi guys! So right now, nandito tayo sa rooftop here in One Corporate Place. Actually guys, no, this is one of the amenities here in One Corporate Place na wala sa ibang office buildings, di ba? Actually, may napunta na akong office building in Metro Manila and some of the places here in Cavite, walang ganito. So this one, ang maganda dito guys is of course if your employees or ikaw mismo na business owner, you want to have a break sa work and gusto mo nang mahangin lang, this is the perfect place for you to visit or to go to. So guys, we are on the 6th floor and this is yung parking natin. So yung parking dito with One Corporate Place is podium parking. So as you can see, ang maganda sa parking ni Mega World do, it's also very spacious. And I think each floor may speaker siya. So merong mga sounds, diba? Naririnig nyo siya. Ayan. So we also have yung mga parking. Parking is actually purchased separately. So if you want to have your own parking space, it will be purchased separately. So here guys, as you can see, no, yung elevator here in One Corporate Place is very big. So if your business or if your office needs yung mga laging inaakyat na mga equipment or materials na medyo malaki, pwedeng-pwede siya. 24 hours din yung access sa elevator and it's very spacious. So before I end this video, I would just like to share with you guys the advantage why you have to have your own office space here in Maple Grove. First of all, One Corporate Place is located inside a township development which is near schools and residential condominiums, villages, restaurants, and other commercial establishments and transportation hub, making this building very accessible and convenient for everyone. So there you go, guys. We are actually offering rent-to-own payment options that are very flexible for our ready-for-occupancy office spaces. If you want to know more about these properties and if you want to schedule a site visit, you can contact me through my social media accounts and my contact number. I have Viber, WhatsApp, and iMessage. This is me again, Alex. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!